Okay, typically this foot switch is usually in, in two pieces, and if you try to pry the two apart, see I'm doing it here, one hand, okay, see you take them apart, and on this part there are two white buttons. This is the down and this is the up button. I would try taking them apart and seeing if this part still operates to lift your table up and lift it down. If that's the case, then it's this piece here with these two white buttons. That may be the cause of your problem, why the table is going up and won't come down. I would try checking this, and if that is the issue, then we can ship you a new foot switch, and they're about $95. Okay.